Hi guys, it's Adris from Midshire TV. So you've been asked to work from home using your Polycom handset, but you're unsure of how to set it up correctly. Well, this video is here to help you do just that. So when you receive your working from home kit, you should have these following items: an Ethernet cable, a power cable, the Polycom handset itself. Oh yeah, you'll also need your home router for the setup. The first thing you like to do is get the power cable and plug this end into the phone, and then the other end into the wall socket. This is to check if the phone powers up and is working correctly. Once that is confirmed, take the Ethernet cable, plug one end into the LAN port behind the phone. Be careful, you do not want to plug it into the PC port as it will not work. And then with the other end, plug it into one of the ports on your router. Once that's done, give it a few minutes. Once it's all connected and synced with the cloud, your phone should automatically restart and display your extension in the top corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and make sure you give this video a huge like. And if you need any further information or help, please check out the training videos or give us a call on 08000 322 322. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great evening. And remember, we are the business communication experts.